Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make labels in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to go into the Google Docs. Okay, type here Google Docs and then basically open up this first link here, then go to this option where it says go to Docs and then open up this blank document from here. And basically to add labels into your docs, you need to add tables basically. Okay, so rows and columns. So first of all, you need to go to this insert here, and let's suppose that you are making an address labels here basically. So I think that five rows and two columns will basically 2 rows and 5 columns will be good. And now here you can see that we have inserted some like rows and columns here, and you can now basically add text into basically in each of the cell here. And basically if you want, you can basically customize the cells as well. Basically if you want, you can basically change the font here basically. If you want, you can change the font size here basically. And if you want to make a font bold, italic, or draw a line beneath it, and if you want, you can basically add an image as well. So if I just add this image from here, maybe like this image, so here you can see that this image is now inserted in the table. Okay, so that is upon you that how basically you customize this. Okay, so now here we have these cell options basically, and cell vertical alignment is top, and middle, if you want to write starting from middle of the cell, you can do this. Cell padding, if you want to enter colors basically. Cell background color, if you want to add this, you can see that we have changed our background color. So you can basically there are like number of different basically options that you can do with the cells here. Okay, so that's how you can basically make labels in Google Docs. And when you are good to go, you can just go to this print option here. If the printer is connected with your PC, then you can basically print this as well. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.